Hey, y'all. So today we're going to be talking about how to invest in real estate without doing a thing. Absolutely nothing at all. And most of the time, even doubling your money in just a few years. There we have it. That's it. That's the talk. So who am I? I am Charisma with Charisma Cares Travel. I am a single mother of two, and I travel with my youngest around the world. This is made possible by real estate investing. So on this channel, I tell you about all our travels, my homeschooling, world schooling adventures. I tell you just about my life in general and investing. So today I want to do a quick video. I want to tell you how you can make money without doing anything. Basically, if you already have some money, it is sitting, if you have 401k funds that you kind of want to flip, for lack of a better term, let's say you got a settlement or you just got some money that's sitting around for as little as $1,000, as much as 100,000 plus, you can do real estate syndications or crowdfunding. Me personally, I like syndications more than crowdfunding. Just in my personal experience, I found that with crowdfunding, you don't always know who's behind it. So let me tell you what it is. So real estate syndication is when two or more people or corporations or businesses get together and they invest in a similar property. Now, not only do they invest in the property, they pull a team of individuals or investors together and they all invest in the property. For example, if I had company ABC and I got together with company 123 and we found a multifamily apartment, so an apartment building, let's say it's 25 units. This 25 unit building, let's say, is $1 million. Well, together, our companies, we don't have the money for the down payment, the 20% plus closing costs and all the other fees for an apartment complex. Well, that doesn't mean we walk away. Well, together, we have the expertise and we have a sponsor behind us, a person that has even more expertise, right? And more net worth. We together can do what we call taking down this property. So we do all the back work, we do the underwriting, we go over all these terms that you really as the investor don't necessarily need to know about, but we do all the legwork. And when it's all said and done, we have everything together, we present it to you and we say, I have this property that I have under contract, will be closing on such and such date, and we need investors. We will say the investors can be accredited or non-accredited. You do want to know this because there is a difference. The biggest difference is accredited investors have to make more than $250,000 a year. And that's an Uncle Sam thing. But because we're doing a syndication, there's a lot of legal and tax paperwork that goes into that. So, we decide. For your average person, you're looking for non-accredited opportunities. You are a non-accredited investor. So say I come to you, Nicole, Nicole's like, I got $20,000 I need to do something with. Well, in our particular investment, all you have to have is a minimum of $10,000. You could be a non-accredited investor. Nicole is a nurse. She makes $80,000 a year. She's put up $20,000 that she wants to use for investments. She knows she's not really into real estate. She wants to be in it, but she doesn't want to be in it. She just wants something that she can sink her money into, right? So Nicole decides, I'm not going to use my entire $20,000, but I'm going to invest my $10,000. So what she does is she invests her $10,000 with my company ABC and my partner here 123. She invests in our 25 unit her $10,000. Well, with that $10,000, we, based off of our underwriting or just our numbers that we've done, we say that she will double her money in 5 years. If she invests with us in 5 years, she will have double the money. basically the first year she may not get anything, and this is all written out. This isn't a surprise. You know this. We've told you in different meetings. First year we're going to be investing the money. We're going to be paying off what we need to. We're going to be doing rehab on our 25-unit apartment complex, right? The next 4 years she will receive 50% of her funds. So basically in the next 4 years after that, she can expect to really receive her full amount that she paid back. And then on year 5, when we sell the apartment complex, note that with most syndications, we do sell the property. So when we sell that, then she gets her other 50%. So in 5 years, Nicole has made $20,000. Charisma, is $20,000 good? Is $10,000 in 5 years good? Check your 401k and tell me how much money you made in the last 5 years. Check your stocks. Tell me how much money you've made in the last 5 years. Your typical return from a stock, your cash on cash return is typically around 7%. So in the real estate, and that's long term, 7%, not day trading or what we're doing now or what we were doing last year, because the market fluctuates, right? So, in real estate, we're always trying to get over 7%, right? When we're investing. But when you're doing the syndications, we're looking a little higher. We're looking at some higher numbers. I'm not going to go into all the figures, IRR and COC. But what I do want you to take from this video is that there are opportunities. How do you find these opportunities? You got to know somebody that knows somebody. A lot of these opportunities cannot be listed online. It is against the rules and the regulations. Remember, we talked about those tax and legal documents. Well, legally, we cannot advertise these things online. So you need to know somebody that knows somebody. A lot of us in our community don't know anybody that knows somebody, not somebody that's worth knowing. So you need to make sure that you do. And you have to already have a relationship established with them. So I invest in syndications. I definitely do. So if you are interested in knowing me as somebody that knows somebody, this is your hey girl, I know you. All right. And then what we do meetups. We get together in different cities. So it's not just, okay, I know you on YouTube. I know you via email. No, we're going to follow the guidelines, because I'm not trying to get arrested, y'all. But we follow the guidelines, but you want to start making these connections now. So if you are at some point interested in investing in real estate, like I do, I invest passively, y'all. I'm not doing all rentals, y'all. I got to travel. But if you are interested in making your money work for you while you sleep, then you need to start looking at these syndications. You need to start looking at your money people, because this is what your money people are doing. They're not out here hustling and grinding and busting their ass. They're not doing that. Your money people are sleeping. While their money is working in the background, they're sleeping and they're working on something else. So you say, girl, real estate ain't for me. I'm not trying to be a landlord. Y'all know I don't really do the landlord thing. But I'm not trying to be a landlord. I'm not trying to find properties. I'm not trying to do this, that, and the other. Then you need to be looking at some syndications. 90% of millionaires are made through real estate. So make sure you get in there. So before I go, I do want to let you all know about a couple of things that's coming up. If you have a property and you are ready to start renting it out, if you have a room or a house, you're moving, you're traveling, I will have a masterclass coming up the first Sunday in November. I will post the link to that. If you are looking at buying a property because you see the changes in the market that are coming and you are being smart, you are starting to get your money together, or you need to figure out how to get some money together because you want to buy a property, I will be doing a investing in real estate boot camp for first time investors. That will be the month of November as well. We'll meet once a week on Mondays. So if you're ready to do that part, start doing that. If you are ready to get into these syndications, or at least start looking at them, make sure you go on my website and you put in your information to connect. If you want to do a one-on-one and sit down and talk about it, you can do that too. All of that is at your fingertips. That's a short one. Ciao.